We've been getting lots of questions about habitual truancy records, and so I thought I'd make a video to explain what occurs and what gets sent over to ODE. First, bear with me. Some of this might be a little too technical for those that don't do EMIS, but when you do the EMIS transfer of the student truancy and excessive absences, you can flat file that to your management screen. And I have the district that I'm using, I have their flat file pulled up. All of these A records, so the last value, these A means that they have excessive absence written notification. So if you pull up ODE's EMIS guide for the habitual truancy record, A is a parent notified of excessive absences. B is student becomes habitual truant. The B's are automatically created. You don't do anything. The B's are automatically created when the student hits a habitual truancy threshold. C, habitual truant violates the court order. These are pretty rare from what I'm told from the districts. A lot of you aren't going to have C's. Then a D, absence intervention plan created. For every B, you have to have a D. And many of you are sending tickets wondering, how do I get the Ds? My EMIS coordinator told me I need Ds. How do I get those? So I'm going to show you that in this video. First, in my file, I have it pulled up. So this is the A. This is the date, 2019, February 11th. This next set of numbers is the EMIS ID. So I'm going to highlight that and copy it. A320577171. And by the way, my data is all scrambled. So I'm going to copy that, go into Dazzle and do an advanced search. And I can search by EMIS ID here and search. And I'm going to pull up, so it's Amber Fletcher. And a couple of releases ago, we got this nifty little addition to the drop down where you can view the student's absence intervention. I see excessive absences on 2/11. So that's why she got the A. And this has to be a written notification. So when you enter the written notification for excessive absences, that's how the A's get created in the transfer file. Next, I'm going to jump down to, I believe it's this third one. Let's just check real quick. C21601291. I'm just going to do an advanced search. And by the way, you can't just enter the EMIS ID in the find students. It doesn't work that way. You have to use the advanced search. So I'm going to search for that. I have Pierce Allen. And why I purposely picked, or Alan Pierce, why I purposely picked him, because he has excessive and he has habitual. If I go back to that transfer file and you do a control F, it searches on the page, and I can search how many times his EMIS ID is in that transfer file, and I see it 3 times, which is wonderful. Here's the first one up here for the A for the excessive parent notification. The second one is the B for his habitual when he hit that threshold. And then the third one is the D because he has the absence intervention plan created, and I'll show you that. So here's the written notification and the excessive. That's how the A got created. The written notification habitual, you do have to document that, but that B record got created automatically. What creates the D record is this field right here, plan created on. That's how you get a D. And the Ds are only come in the transfer file for habituals. If I look at this transfer file, here are all my A's. And it's nice that they group them all together. So all these are A's. These kids have excessive absences. I get down here to the B's. All of these B's, all of those B's need a D. So as you can see, I'm missing quite a few. I need to get those absence intervention plans entered. with a plan created on date, and then I'll get a D record. If you have any questions about this, please don't hesitate to send us a ticket. We'll be glad to look at any student and advise. Thank you.